Hello everyone and welcome to another Yorkies Bits and Bobs Home Tech. Today we're doing something a little bit different. We're going to be putting some floating shelves up, or two actually. One over on the right and another one on the left. The one on the right is going to be the longer one and the one on the left is obviously going to be the short one. And also we're going to put some RGB lighting on it. So with that I'll quickly show you this shelving. So I've gone for a bit of a dark colour, as you can see. Bought these at Home Base. I think this cost me £12.50 and I think this was a tenner. I've had them for quite a while but not had the time to do them. So today it's raining, it's a really nice day and I thought, well, that's a perfect day for doing them. So I'm going to do that, and obviously what I'm going to do, down the back of it I'm going to run some RGB lighting to give the display a bit more of an effect. So let's get on with it. Right, so the shelving's up. I had to make some slight adjustments to get it level, but it's there, and it's looking good. So now it's time to get my RGB lighting out, and I haven't opened it, and this is about a month old now, so I'm looking forward to doing that. So shall we do the unboxing? Right, let's have a quick look around the box. Nothing special, shows you what you're getting in the package. RGB lighting, it says LED strip, safety RGB, LED strip combo, 12 volt, 24 SMDs, and some nice little pictures of some of the effects. And looks like some different models on the side. So let's get her out. So it's got caution on the front. This bag contains moisture and electrostatic sensitive devices. Store temperature. It tells you all about store temperature. That's quite informative. So that's your RGB. That's your mains. Not sure what that is. Obviously we're going to have to get all this out. Is it just tear off? Or just get a knife on it? Let's get a knife. Looks like your volt, your power, your mains. Oh. Right, let's get the knife. So that's your mains brick. Hopefully that leads long enough to run it up the wall. Hopefully. This looks like your controller. Now, so that's your remote control. Should be easy enough to work out. Just pull that out for your battery and away you go. There's a little card in here by looking at it. Oh no, oh hang on. It is something. What is it? Oh, it's how to connect it. Operation instructions and control. Well, that's really tiny. See that? And there's your controller. We'll be plugging in two connections, and that's your little sensor for your remote control. Nothing special, but then I wasn't expecting it to be anything special. And let's get out the RGB stuff. Like I said, there should be 2 strips in there. I've got more than enough for what I want to do. I wanted to make sure I had plenty to run along now, and you can just cut it to length. So that's your RGB. Right, with that, let's get on with it. Right, so I finally finished it. What do you think? Originally I planned to come down now and then split it and use 2 cables and 2 different RGB lighting, but as I was doing it I thought, oh actually it might be better if I just run it all down one side. So I run it down that side and then just straight across, as you can see. I think it looks really good. I'm going to turn the light off, see if it makes any difference. Oh, it even comes through the plastic. I wasn't expecting that one. But yeah, you can turn it on and off if you don't want it on. Also, this remote control will control my old one as well, the one that runs along the top. So if I want to just turn it off and just go like that, or just turn that one off. So they're both off. Turn that back on. Looks really good. And obviously you've got loads of different options in here. Slow, fade. Oh, and you can, I believe you can program it as well. I'm going to have to put some more stuff up the top, I think. Also, I think the RGB lighting's going on there because I've got a couple of spots of red now where it's not changing colour. So I think that's on its way out. So I can use the other strip, just run it, take that one off and run a new one on now, and that will sort that out. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give me a thumbs down, and please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.